In the early months of 2010, a strange global phenomenon emerged. Reports flooded in from every corner of the globe of eerie sounds echoing from the heavens. Sounds akin to trumpets, horns, or a monstrous metallic groan. From Canada to Ukraine, from Germany to Australia, these auditory oddities have been captured and shared, stoking the fires of intrigue and speculation. Could it be the Earth's tectonic plates shifting, or perhaps atmospheric pressure changes? What do you think? Comment your thoughts. One last thing, did you know that